The Ben Franklin effect is a psychological phenomenon that suggests that when we do a favor for someone, we tend to like them more as a result. It's named after Benjamin Franklin, who was known for his ability to win over his political opponents. Legend has it that he once borrowed a rare book from a political rival, who was surprised to find that he now had a friendly relationship with Franklin. This led Franklin to conclude that he that has once done you a kindness will be more ready to do you another than he whom you yourself have obliged. The theory behind the Ben Franklin effect is that when we do a favor for someone, we justify our actions to ourselves by believing that we must like the person in order to have done something nice for them. This is known as cognitive dissonance, the uncomfortable feeling we get when our actions don't align with our beliefs. When we do something nice for someone, our brain rationalizes that we must like them in order to have done so. This is because we want to believe that we are good people who only help those we like. It's a way for us to resolve the cognitive dissonance we experience when we do something kind for someone we don't like. So how can you use the Ben Franklin effect in your own life? The key is to create a situation where the other person feels like they are doing something helpful or valuable for you. This can be something as small as borrowing a pen or asking for their opinion on something. When the other person does the favor for you, make sure to express gratitude and thank them for their help. This can reinforce their positive feelings towards you and strengthen your relationship. For example, let's say you're at a cafe and you see someone you want to get to know better. You could ask them to watch your laptop while you go to the restroom. By doing this, you create an opportunity for them to do something nice for you and justify to themselves that they must like you in order to have helped you out. This can help to break the ice and create a positive impression. So, there you have it. The Ben Franklin effect explained. It's a simple but powerful psychological tool that you can use to build better relationships with the people around you. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more psychology content.